Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I really appreciate you guys for staying tuned. It's Charles once again. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be giving my analysis on EurGbp, Euro USD and GBp USD. So as you can see in this chart, we have the real GBP, the H4 chart. Okay, looking at the H4 chart, here I'm going to be looking at selling the EurGbp. Okay, there may be a pullback up, which is the buyers may come in here. Okay, but I'm only interested in selling the EurGbp. As you could see, there can be a pullback because from my indicator here, and the indicator is already approaching oversold area. Okay, so there may be a slight pullback where a follow price action, maybe a slight pullback, then sellers may come in. Okay, so looking at the H1 chart, we still have some way down for sellers. Okay, there are still rooms for the sellers to come down before buyers may step in. So we may see sellers breaking through this previous support there. Okay, coming down to the 800 EMA on the H1 chart. Then we'll see our pullback, then look for sell entries again. Okay, so what I'm saying is that we may get a slight sell, then a pullback, which is buy opportunity, then we look for sell opportunities again. That's overall. In the long term, I'm looking to sell the EurGbp. I think selling the EurGbp would pay more for swing traders. Okay, so we may look for the EurGbp may still come down. Let's look at the GBpusd. Okay, so the GBpusd, the guy started going up yesterday. That's Monday, I think, on the 1st. So we still have more way to the upside. Okay, we still have more way to the upside. Okay, that's a good resistance over there. Okay, so we have more way to the upside for the GBpusd. Looking at the H1, looking at the H1 chart, we could notice there've been some form of reset. That's using the beat the market maker method. There've been some form of reset here, and we may start counting a new level. Okay, we may start counting a new level. So we would say we may have our level 2 rise yesterday. Okay, we have our W there. We may have our level 2, that's level 1 rise. Okay, then we kind of had a small choppiness, and that's level 2 rise. So for me, for the GBpusd, I'm still looking at buying the GBpusd. Let's say I get a pullback to the 50 EMA on the H1 chart, and I get a rejection candle. I'm still going to take a buy for the GBpusd. So I'm still supporting buyers for the GBpusd. So we may get a buy up to that second box, that rectangle box, the white one over there. We may get a buyers moving. There is possibility that buyers may ride it up to that level over there, that region over there. Okay, so here we have our Euro USD. We have our Euro USD chart. For the Euro USD chart, I think this pair has been buying for some time now. It's still gonna go up. It may still gonna go up. I'll be waiting for sell opportunities. Okay, I'll be waiting for sell opportunities. Here, looking at the H1 charts. Okay, looking at the H1 chart. Looking at okay, going back to the H4 chart, you can see the potential. There is a form of resistance there, and price may be drawn towards this that golden line. I think 1.11756. Okay, we may see price going there, and I believe there is going to be a form of rejection there. So when I get a rejection and I see price breaking down this the red MR, let's come back to our H1 chart. So the red MR there, it's our blue MR50 on the H1 chart. So let's say I get price break through it, a retest and a rejection candle, maybe an engulfing, okay, or an evening star. Okay, I would go for sell opportunities on the on the Euro USD. So for me, the Euro USD it's a sell for me. Okay, I'll be looking for sell opportunities. I'm not saying there's still not going to be room for buyers. I'm not going to be interested in buying the Euro USD. I'm going to wait for my setup for sell opportunities to ripe, you understand, to get ripened. Okay, so yeah, coming back, this is my live account. Okay, last week was pretty rough for us. Okay, trading our $100 account. We've initially made $100 profit from this account. Okay, so it's not that we are really losing, it's just that our gain has now reduced. It was kind of rough from 100 plus account. Carelessness, and no, we followed our plans, but I guess I kind of over leverage. Okay, and the market, and I use a tight stop loss, so most times the market even went in my favor, but after hitting my stop loss. Okay, so we are at $52 right now. Okay, so it's not really that, but it's all about discipline and on improving oneself. Okay, so coming back to the Euro USD, don't forget, I think I'm mainly concerned for this pair Euro USD. I'm going to be looking at selling the Euro USD. Okay, I'm going to be very interested at selling the Euro USD. So I hope price breaks below the 50 MA, like I said on the H1